We daily breathe 17,000 litres of air. Do we take appropriate precautions? Did you know that the indoor air can be 100 times more polluted than the outside air? Breathe better. Live better. Airfree. Airfree is an innovative system manufactured in Europe and exported to more than 40 countries. It is used in domestic, industrial and agricultural environments. The patented Airfree technology is simple and very effective. Its TSS ceramic core destroys microorganisms in the air that we breathe by incinerating them at high temperatures. The air passes through the unit by means of natural and silent air convection, being sterilized, cooled and released back into the ambience. Allergy and asthma are caused by various airborne allergens. Airfree's efficiency in preventing asthma and respiratory allergies offers a significant improvement to people's quality of life, especially those that are suffering from allergies. Allergens originating from dust mite excrements, skeletons and feces are one of the main allergy triggers when inhaled. The Insect Research Institute in Cambridge, UK tested and proved that the Airfree technology destroys dust mite allergens that are present in the air. Home dust is also sterilized when passing through the Airfree. Airfree is also indicated for newborns, babies and expecting mothers. Studies performed by the University of Virginia in the United States shows that reducing the contact with dust mite allergens since the pregnancy until the baby's first day of life substantially decreases the probability of developing asthma in their lifetime. The respiratory system of elderly people is quite fragile. Therefore, pure air is an essential protection for this age group, which is in need of major health care. Thanks to its efficiency in eliminating fungi and mold spores, Airfree is also required for houses with humidity problems, or the ones that are not exposed to the sun. Other studies also conducted in the United States show that mold, beside causing material damage, can cause serious health problems such as asthma, allergies, depression, aspergillosis, and even cancer. Airfree is a natural and silent technology that has low energy consumption and is not harmful to the ambience. Airfree is maintenance-free, does not generate any residues, nor uses wear and tear parts, without compromising the efficiency throughout the years. Airfree is a portable and safe air purifier with a warded design and fits in any house or work environment. Airfree's efficiency has been tested by independent laboratories and universities around the world, in locations such as hospitals, hotels, libraries, cold chambers, microbiologic and clinical laboratories, national archives, home and offices, and proves to be very efficient. Airfree is the most tested and safest air purifier in the world. All tests are available on www.airfree.com. Airfree is also present in museums, hospitals, libraries and national archives around the world. Follow the hundreds of thousands of families in the world that do treat the 17,000 litres of air they breathe every day. Buy your Airfree purifier now and breathe better.